Hello everyone, today we are mastering the art of making our web content look professional. We'll cover intentional formatting text like bold, italic, and highlight, plus the secret sauce of HTML attributes. Let's jump in. So now we are in our Visual Studio Code. Right side we had in Visual Studio Code. I write the code for the font size. The font size is easy to see and easy to understand. So we already write in the bold text hello world. So I erase this all. First you can select and delete, and also you can just step by step like backspace you can use. So we're gonna select and delete this code. Same in the hello, you can backspace use. So this is a bold tag. This is just bold, and inside of parentheses we write visual. Now we're gonna run this code in our browser. So this is just bold, visual. In the bold tag, it's going to be bold. It means thick. Our sentence. Now next tag. Now next tag is strong. Strong style to our browser. It's really important. So if you are confusing there, so select what you write, and just when you click and you paste, it's going a bit wrong sometimes. So when you write strong, just take copy, select and copy, and after paste. There is a mistake too. So if we are selecting this code again, this is selecting whole, so there is mistake. So if you are selecting and just want to cut or delete, it's not working, so it's okay. Click in the center and just a backspace you use the backspace. Click there and use backspace. Okay, now we click in the center, and now we'll start writing. This is one minute. This is important. In the parentheses we will write semantic. And now we again refresh the page, and this is important semantic. So we already used the bold tag, so it's gonna be important and in a bold too. Now next, so we use the next tag. Next is I for italic. So there is, you understand this, in the italic you just write in open angle bracket you use, write inside I, and same closing angle brackets and write I. It's really simple. Click in the center and now start writing like this is italic. This is italic, and inside of parentheses we will write visual, simple visual. And now again refresh the page. The italic is little tilt and not bold. Now the EM tag. You see, when bigger, just a copy and paste without of just giving you mistake sometime. So select this and delete. And now when you click and again email, so you see the templates you're giving is type of message. Now write this is emphasize. This is emphasized, and inside of parentheses we write it semantic. Now refresh the page again. It's not like italic, it's a little and little bold, little italic and little bold. Now so understand this text. Okay, so this is the next step. It's mark. So use mark. There is, you see, you can click on the mark. The list, our Visual Studio is giving us message. So just click on the mark. Closing angle bracket is, and this is highlighted. Highlight. Sometimes the server is not writing correctly. So this is highlighted. Just refresh this page and your text is gonna be highlighted. This is highlighted. Okay, so now what is this all? So understanding is important. So the text formatting. HTML gives us a specific text to change how text is read by human and search engines. Let's understand this all. This is just a bold. It's used for VTech. Point out that strong and look identically but explain that strong. Tells screen readers to stress the word. And italic and also the mark is for the highlighting something, and emphasized for that important, like it's important and everything is important. You write bold, strong, emphasized, mark, highlights and bold tags. So now just select this all code we write and just delete. If you don't want it, this is not problem, but I delete it. So now, so attributes formatting is good, but attributes are where the real power lies. Attributes provide extra information to a tag. Think of a tag as car and attribute as the color or engine size. Attributes in open angle bracket and closing angle brackets. Click in the center and just start writing. Simply we write it. Click in the center and just write it our code. Code is started. It's by H. So write H R C R E F and equal and double quotes. Write it in our double quotes is HTTPS and colon, and after colon sometimes it's giving errors. Just write it HTTPS with the colon and double slashes. Now write it google.com, and okay, it's done. But it's not marking. 1 minute, something mistake. Oh, I'm not right in the open angle bracket. That's giving you error. Just click on the our less than greater than sign, and just after this and put. Now write it Google, go to Google and just simply run this. Okay, now it's go to Google and just control and click. Just control and click, control plus click. You will put it yourself to our Google page. Sometimes this is giving you error, sometimes it's okay. Now just okay, so we close this. Now we're gonna close, so close this, close the Google and back to our code. So write it, so okay, write it image tag. I'll show you everything errors type like. So when you write it open image tag and closing image tag, there is no problem, right? Okay, just write, but write inside of the image tag, it's important. So it's not working, just cut it. Simply see, just be using in the our first image our hypertext, same as we are using in our image tag. We writing everything inside of open angle brackets. So src, it's calling source, and after equal sign and inside of the double quote we write it photo. Now photo dot which format your photo is inside, so just write it just like a jpg. Now come out of this open angle brackets. No, also you need to write the width and the size like of the image you want to, so write it. So first we're using alt equal double quotes inside. Okay, so we write it something for image like sometimes it's giving error, a cool photo. Okay, simply just okay. Now width, what are the width? Simply write width, which width you want for your photo. Width equal in a double quotes we write it just I think 3300 is okay, right? So no need the closing image tag, just select and cut it. Simply select and cut it. In image tag we don't need a closing tag. Okay guys, so just simply run this. So just run then. It's also giving you there to be, you can click this image tag and also you can go to your picture. We want to try with our Visual Studio Code. Simply you want to test, so you can. So we are going to be inside of the Visual Studio. Simple, control plus click, control and plus click. So click it and it's gonna to be giving something. So if it's not working, because Visual Studio Code is not supporting image and I am not uploading anything photo, it's just a syntax. So now the next attribute, it's calling P for paragraph also we use, but we also using for titles. Okay, so simply we write it title equal sign double quotes, write it I single quote I am an attribute I am an attribute. So okay, I am an write it simply. I'm an attribute and using exclamation mark with shift, using exclamation mark, and after this just opening tag br. Okay, out of this open attribute. So write it like simply hover over me. Hover over me. It's funny? No. Hover over me with exclamation mark and close this tag with our closing. Okay, so refresh this page again. You will see the hover over me. When you click on a hover over me, it's tell you I am an attribute. Simply. So if you want to tell the browser who I am, so I am an attribute. So hover over me is an attribute. Okay, so are you understand? So simply about the attributes. What is the rule? Rule 2 highlights. Okay, always go in the opening tag. It's writing in opening tags just to be written. Usually come in name equal double quotes inside value pairs and use lowercase for consistency. Okay, simply. So there is simple way. I hope you understand this is simple. In the next video we're gonna again use some arrays and loops. So thank you. It's not just seeing this video and you learn code. You open your Visual Studio Notepad, write this code and run by yourself so you will understand. And if you are stuck in any arrays, please comment in comment section. So we are providing solutions for you in our next video. Thank you. And please also please write it these all things. Okay, now so the summary is the attributes and the tags is different types of. Every time you will remember everything. Thank you. Meet in the next video. Bye. If you like this video, please like it. In the href, oh, I made a mistake. Is there? Is a Google. Oh, I forgot about the spellings. It's made a mistake, so sorry. Okay, it's okay. Sometime it's gonna be. Okay, bye for now. Meet in the next video.